Alright, so these are all the things that I got. So just put some down first. Yeah, so my outfit is Uniqlo overshirt, Abercrombie pants, and then at the bottom we have the Bottega Puddles, Balenciaga Explorer pouch, and then on the top I have a hat from Amazon. I mentioned them in my recent pickups video, so if you want, like I said, I'll link everything that I'm wearing. Well, yeah, this is my outfit, and I kind of like this setup. I feel like I'm getting cut off just a little bit, but for the most part, hopefully you guys can hear me, and I think this is how I will be sharing with you guys my outfits when it comes to the vlogs. So we are running late. I need a coffee. I'm exhausted, so let's get going. You're gonna have to show them me opening your doors.
Because it's just for the vlog.
Yeah, probably. Wow. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Hey, say hi to my vlog. Oh.
What's up?
Say hi to my vlog.
Shout out to all my fans, okay? Shout out to all my
Oh, he said shout out to all his... Yeah, babe. Hey, say hi to my vlog. Oh! I got that on camera. We came here like a couple years ago for his birthday, and we're here now. Look how different he looks. Tell him how old you are now.
13.
And you just graduated what? 8th grade. 8th grade.
Yeah.
Are you excited for high school?
Yeah.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Hello.
You liar. Okay, you ready, Jacob? Bobby, say hi to my vlog. Hey, say hi. I can't drive because I'm trying to vlog. We're just waiting. You nervous? he said I don't want to get stuck. Go, go, go. I just recently got a ton of stuff in the mail, so I wanted to quickly open it up on the vlog with you guys. Alright, so these are all the things that I got, so just put some down first. Shit. So the first thing that I want to share with you guys is just this small little blue bag from Acne Studios. I work with Farfetch quite frequently, and a lot of the times like I have a leftover credit from the kind of like sponsorships that I work with them. So I had some extra credit in my Farfetch account, and I was like, you know, I wanted something different for the summertime. And as you guys know, I'm a really big lover of blue. I love incorporating blue moments and just like little blue touches into my outfits. And I feel like even though oversized bags and like tote bags and just big bags in general definitely have been trending, I feel like every now and then there's definitely a time and a place for a small bag. And this one right here from Acne Studios is definitely a hit. It's just a really simple kind of like, I don't know what kind of material this is, but It's like that slippery material, if you know what I mean. Just has a nice little acne kind of plaque in the front, and then it has a zipper in the front as well, and then it also has a main zipper compartment down the middle, and then towards the back there's like a mesh kind of pocket as well. If you guys are interested, I'll definitely be sure to leave links to all of this down below. This bag also does come in other colors, so if you like the silhouette but you don't like the blue, I think it comes in black, and I believe it comes in tan as well. So nonetheless, I'll definitely be getting a lot of wear out of this. And yeah, I think I'm gonna go shoot this today, so with like an outfit. So yeah, 10 out of 10. Alright, so you guys know I have been just living in the Birkenstock Boston Mules. I picked them up, I would say, like a little over a year ago. I think it was like around last spring, and I've just been living in the pair. I'm literally wearing it right now. This is the pair that I personally have. I believe this is the taupe colorway, and like I said, I get a lot of wear out of them. I love them. They're so comfortable, and they get even more comfortable as time goes on. And so naturally, with that being said, I went ahead and I picked up 2 more colors. So these are 2 colors that I personally have been wanting, but they just like never had my size, and then I finally found them. So the first pair is, again, the same Birkenstock Bostons in a really nice chocolate brown color. It's the same suede material. For anyone who is interested, I am a size 43. I don't know what that is, but I am usually a size US 9.5 men's and like all my other stuff. So, you know, take that for what it is. But yeah, this is the chocolate brown color. In addition to like loving blue lately, I've also been really loving chocolate browns and pinks, and just again incorporating those scent shades of like colors in my outfits for this season. I feel like the chocolate brown one is definitely going to be a great way and a great colorway in terms of the Birkenstock Bostons to translate into fall and winter. So I'm really excited about this pair right here. And then this pair right here, I haven't seen anyone have this said like silhouette and this said like material that I'm about to show you guys right now. This one right here is definitely a banger, and it is definitely, in my opinion, the best piece out of this whole entire haul, and I can't wait to get a lot of wear out of this. Speaking of fall and winter, I feel like even more so than the brown ones that I just showed, this one right here is definitely a good fall/winter kind of mule in terms of a Birkenstock Boston. I'm just gonna stop talking and show you guys the piece. This is what it is right here. As you guys can see, it's in this really nice kind of like wool-like felt material in this really nice kind of like charcoal warm tone gray color. I absolutely love this bad boy right here. This is so good, and like I said, I personally haven't seen anyone wear this specific silhouette in terms of this material. I feel like everyone kind of usually gravitates towards the suede ones, and I like those too, but I feel like this is a nice kind of switch up. And even though it's technically summertime and it's only starting to feel like summer now here in Seattle, my mind is already in fall and winter. Sorry about it, that's just like how I am. And I did pick these up on Farfetch, again, size 43. And yeah, I'm super stoked. I don't think I'm gonna wear this quite yet. Like I said, I'm gonna hold off and wait for them to style it during the fall/winter time, but I wanna show you guys right now because I'm gonna go ahead and link it. So if you want it, you should definitely get your hands on it, because this said silhouette and with this material has sold out so much times. And it's finally back in stock right now, so I'll go ahead and leave this link down below for you guys. The last thing that I want to share with you guys is a package from Necessaire. So I am an affiliate for Necessaire, so that means that if you use like my links, or sometimes when I do have discount codes for them, if you use my discount code or again my links, I do get a small commission off of them. But I want to share with you guys Necessaire because I feel like I get asked quite often like what kind of body products do I use in terms of like deodorant, body wash, shampoo, conditioner, all that stuff. And I honestly can say, especially when it comes to body care, Necessaire is definitely my go-to. I absolutely love this is the body serum. This just recently came out. Looks like this. If I can get it open. This is what the body serum looks like. This is a newer product from them, so I'm excited to kind of try this out. But essentially, it's just kind of an additional layer of something to put on your body to make your skin feel even more like moisturized than it already is. It's like that. I tried it on my hand recently, and it feels really nice. So I'm excited to try this. But this is not really like the star product for me. The star product, in my opinion, is definitely the body lotion, especially in the unscented, fragrance-free option. So this is what the packaging looks like, and then you open it up. And it's just crazy. It's crazy because I just ran out of the one that I was already using, so this definitely came in at the right time. So this is what it looks like right here. It's fragrance free. It's not too like sticky on the body, but it still makes me feel like hella moisturized, and it dries really quickly. in addition to the body lotion, I also really love their body wash and their body scrub. I like those in the eucalyptus scent. So it comes, there's like fragrance-free eucalyptus and I think there's bergamot, but if I had to choose, I would either go with just fragrance-free or eucalyptus. But yeah, nonetheless, I want to share with you guys Necessaire because like I said, I get asked quite often like what kind of body products I use. So Necessaire is definitely the go-to for me. I'll be sure to leave links to Necessaire along with everything else from this haul in the description down below. And like I said, I do use affiliate links, so if you use my links, I get a nice small little commission, but obviously like no pressure at all. But yeah, I'm excited. So yeah, and also let me know in the comments down below which piece was like your favorite. I feel like a lot of you guys are gonna say the Bostons, and those are my favorite too, but I'm excited for this lotion and I'm kind of excited for the bag too. So stay tuned on my Instagram for more outfit photos featuring the bag.
So what is, so that's like some sort of sweet?
Alright, what is up you guys? Welcome back to another day in the vlog. It's currently Friday. I just got dressed, got showered up, nice and clean. I think the last clip that you guys saw, I was at dinner with my homie Matthew. I didn't like vlog him or introduce him to the vlog, but we're homies, so you guys will see him in another video. But we were just like obviously catching up. We had some dinner and then we just kind of got a little too busy catching up that I didn't like check into the vlog. The new day. I'm actually heading out right now to grab some coffee with Jordan. It's been a minute since I saw him, so we're just gonna kind of catch up, get some coffee, like I said, and just kind of walk around the neighborhood. But of course, I had to show you guys my outfit before I head out. The hat is the hat that I have just been loving so much from Amazon. I'll definitely be sure to leave this link down below. Shirt is from COS. Bag is Prada. I picked this up at the Prada outlet for a really good price, but I do think that you can buy this set bag of full price, so I'll go ahead and link that. And then the boots are Bottega Veneta. And then just some other details real quick. As always, rings are from apps. I've been really liking this one right here on my pointer finger. Like I said, links to everything are down below. I'm running hella late, so I gotta get going. But before I head out, I wanna show you guys a couple more things in my office, so let's get to it. All right, so these are the two things that I mentioned. I've been really liking this hand cream right here from Aesop. It's in the Resurrection Aromatic scent. No other hand cream smells and or does the job like this one, so 10 out of 10, highly recommend. And then I get asked quite often what cologne I use, and it's this one right here from Prada. I think this is the, oh yeah, it says right there, this is the Prada Carbon scent and cologne. Again, this is my go-to scent right here. As you can see, I'm like, it's almost gone. I gotta get a new bottle. I didn't turn on the vlog earlier because we were too busy catching up, but say what's up, bro.
What's going on, guys?
Hey, you know you were pretty popular in the NYC vlog, you know?
Yeah, of course.
Tell me why all of the comments were about this guy right here. Not even about me, it was about Jordan. What do you have to say for yourself? How does it feel to be
legit? And,
yeah, most wanted and
like,
just...
Yeah, popular and authentic and myself. It's
great. Wait, is he an influencer now?
No.
No, so we had some coffee and then we kind of like walked around the area for a bit. It's a nice day in Seattle, so Jordan's about to... Los
Angeles is happening.
Yes, in like, bro, a little over a month.
Yeah.
Still got to plan that, and we're obviously going to be vlogging that. So, yeah, Jordan's about to head back home, get to work, and then I also have to get back home and get to work too, so... I just came home from happy hour with a homie of mine. We just had like some sushi, some drinks, all that stuff. Definitely nice catching up. And what's even nicer is that I came back home to a package from Parachute. If any of you guys don't know what Parachute is, they basically offer anything you need when it comes to like home furnishings and home accessories. They have really nice beds, they have like furniture, and they just have like there's a wide assortment of amazing things. I'm smiling from ear to ear because I absolutely love Parachute. Like I've been seeing them everywhere. I just really love them. So I'm super stoked for the pieces that I picked out. If any of you guys watch me personally, like for the vlogs, for like the home content, all that stuff, you would really appreciate Parachute and their offer. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the new bedding that I got from them, and then I'll show you guys like the final product. Yeah, I'm just really excited. And of course, everything will be linked down below in the description box for you guys. So yeah, let's set this up. Okay guys, so I just put on the parachute bedding. So besides a few of the pillows that are on the bed, everything is from Parachute. This fabric that's on this pillowcase right here is called their honeycomb fabric, and it's the same fabric that's on the actual like duvet cover, as you can see right here. I absolutely love how all of these tones kind of turned out and how they work together, and I really like just like the simplicity of, again, just all the tones. It's so relaxing and calming, and not to mention just like the actual bedding itself feels like really nice. You can tell it's just so high quality, and I'm just really excited. And shout out to Parachute, because like I said, I love them as a brand. I've seen them all over the place, and I'm just really excited to kind of sleep with this stuff and just, again, have it and experience it in my apartment. Alright, what is up you guys? Welcome back to another day in the vlog. Today is, I actually don't know what day it is, but it's the next day from yesterday. We went to the gym this morning, got some Starbucks for breakfast, and yeah, today's gonna be kind of just a chill, kind of like shopping day. We're gonna head to this place called U Village. There's kind of like a wide variety of stores there. There's like retail stores, home stores. I want to pick up a few more like summer pieces, because it's finally starting to feel like summer here in Washington. And then I'm actually recording my fully furnished apartment tour tomorrow, so I'm gonna hop into like some home stores just to see if there's any like you know, like last minute touches here and there that I could get, like maybe some extra throw blankets, throw pillows, little dried arrangements or something. So we'll see how it goes. And then there's a sushi spot that I've been really wanting to try, so we'll be hitting that place up as well. Alright, so here is today's outfit. The top, the actual vest is from H&M. This new shirt, I picked it up while I was in SF. That's what I'm looking for. Highly recommend. Pants are Abercrombie, just a nice pair of like workwear style pants. And then on feet we have the Easy 700 in the cream colorway, I believe. Hat is Amazon, and then for the accessories, just to like hold all my stuff, Balenciaga Explorer pouch, and then rings are of course apps.